This is a basic screen capture video to show you how to export your keyword data in Google Search Console. Depending on where you're at, when you log in, you'll probably be in the Overview tab. So you're going to want to click on Performance, and it will automatically go to the last 3 months data. Typically, you can do any of these. You can do 7 days, most recent, last 6 months, last 12 months, 16 months, or we can do a custom date range. I generally do 3 months because I am working every month and every week on updating old content on this site. So 3 months for me is fine, but you can pick your time frame based on what you want to export for keyword data. Click Apply, and then you go over here and you'll click Export. You have Google Sheets, Excel, CSV. I prefer Excel, but I'm going to show you how both options will work. Let's click Google Sheets, and it will open right up in your Google account in a few minutes. Okay. And then here, you can actually, I usually like to click it and go like this, double click, and it will automatically resize the columns so you can see all of the different data. Typically, it is sorted from most clicks to least clicks, but you can go ahead and sort your data, going data, create a filter, and those sort of things, but that I'm not getting into that today. And you can kind of scroll through. What I do here is I do Control Find Ghost. Let's say I'm looking for ghost writing keywords because I'm working on that type of blog post, and it will highlight all of them so you can find some good keywords to use. And then, the download includes tabs. You can't really see them in the screenshot, but there's tabs below here, Sheets, where it will show you your top pages and clicks, impressions, etc. It'll show your top countries. It will show the devices, mobile, desktop, tablet, that people come to visit your site from. Your search appearance tab will show you what you're getting results from. Videos seems to be my top converting option here. We got some product results, rich results, web light results, these, and this is something that I'm working on is rich FAQ rich results, but I actually have slacked off. This used to be a much higher number. And then you got some dates, which I guess I've never looked at this, but it looks like it'll tell you clicks per date. Filters, that shows you what you ran for a report. That's if we open this in Excel Sheets. I mean, in Google Sheets. If you want to do Excel, click Excel. And you'll see, and you can't see it on the screen capture, but it'll go down here. You click to open it. It's on your computer. You can manipulate it, save it as however you'd like to save it, and access it anytime right on your PC rather than having to go through Google Sheets. Those are really the two options that I use for exporting. I'm not sure why you'd want a CSV, but I'm sure there's a purpose for it. Generally speaking, the Excel file is a CSV file, so whatever. But that's how you download your data, your keyword data in Google Search Console so that you can hand it over to a ghostwriter to help you with heavy keyword rich content, or to analyze it for yourself so you can update some of your old blog posts and that sort of thing. I'll have more on that in the future, but I just want to show you how to export your keyword data in Google Search Console today.